Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate single leg raises and kickbacks. Both primarily target the glute muscle. So single reverse leg raise. Lay on the belly, flat down. Okay. And now you raise one leg and down. Up, hold for a second, and back down. Okay, generally, if you're having some strength issues, some people may be tempted to actually bend the leg as they raise it, like this. If that is the only way you can actually get the leg up, then it may be acceptable for you to start with the leg bent. Lift and down. Lift and down. Okay? So remember, you can do it like this. Leg straight out and down. If you don't have the strength, what you can do is bend the leg and up and down. Up and down. Or alternatively, you can do kickbacks, where you're on your hands and knees like this, back straight, and you kick back. Let the knee touch, kick back. Let the knee touch, kick back. Again, control movement. Okay. Or, as you get stronger and stronger, you can add some weight in the movement. Okay, so I'm using some adjustable weights here. These have the metal bars in them. These can be removed or put back in to reduce or build up weight. Some of you may be accustomed with the standard anchor weights or the sandbags where you have the iron filings within them to actually give you some weight. Okay, so attach the weight. Okay, so now the weight is attached. Same movement. And down. Up. And down. It can also be done with the kickbacks. Okay, this is your weighted kickbacks as you get stronger and stronger.